Let me show you how to write a strategy with an example from JBL. My name is Julian Cole, a strategy trainer at the Planning Dirty Academy and a consultant to leading brands like Facebook, Uber, Apple, and Disney. On this channel, I want to help you master the fundamentals of strategy. I'm going to show you how to use the strategy on a page model. What makes writing a strategy unique in advertising is that you need to understand a problem from two angles. What is the problem for the business and what is the problem for the consumer? With a strategy on a page, we like to write down both the business problem as well as the consumer problem. They're often very different things, as we will see with this example for an ad for JBL headphones. To set the context, the business problem for JBL is that they're a small player in a category dominated by Apple, with lots of other small players. Apple pockets 49 cents of every dollar spent on headphones. The business goal was to increase their market share of noise-cancelling headphones for JBL to 8%. Now let's look at the print ads that they created for this. Looking at the spots, we can see that the consumer problem was that the anxiety levels are at an all-time high with the world shouting at us. The insight being that noise annoyance is associated with anxiety. With the headphones, it's no longer what you hear, but what you don't. That left JBL with a simple message: show that JBL helps you control your world, creating the consumer goal of people finding their peace with JBL. If you took any value out of this video, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe to this channel if you're interested in more strategy resources. This is just an illustrative example for the purposes of showing you how to write a strategy on a page. I didn't actually work on the campaign. If you want to learn how to write a creative brief, check out my video with an example from Seamless. If you're interested in seeing more strategy on a page, check out my example for Lysol.